Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel Amberoo WebDesign. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Today, we're diving into some advanced techniques for enhancing website performance. Whether you're a seasoned web designer just looking to up your game, this video is packed with cutting-edge strategies to make your website faster and more efficient. We all know that website performance is crucial. A slow website can turn visitors away, while a fast, responsive site can keep them engaged and coming back for more. But how do we achieve that top-notch performance? Let's break it down with some advanced techniques. Advanced caching strategies. First up, let's talk about advanced caching strategies. Caching is a technique where web content is stored temporarily to reduce load times. Here are some advanced methods you can implement. Edge caching. This involves storing your content on servers that are geographically closer to your users. Content delivery networks, CDNs, like Cloudflare or Akamai are perfect for this. They can significantly reduce latency and improve load times for users around the world. Browser caching. You can instruct users' browsers to cache resources like images, CSS, and JavaScript files. This way, they don't have to download the same resources every time they visit your site. Object caching. Store the results of database queries in a cache. Tools like Redis or Memcached can help you do this, making database calls faster and reducing server load. Server-side rendering. Next, let's dive into server-side rendering or SSR. This technique involves rendering your web pages on the server rather than in the browser. Here's why it's powerful. Improved performance. By rendering HTML on the server and sending it to the client, you reduce the load on the user's browser, which can speed up initial load times. Better SEO. Search engines can more easily crawl and index your content when it's server rendered, improving your site's visibility. Frameworks like Next.js for React or Nux.js for Vue.js make it relatively easy to implement SSR in your projects. Modern web technologies HTTP/3. Now, let's talk about modern web technologies, starting with HTTP/3. This new protocol is built on QUIC, a transport layer network protocol that improves performance in several ways. Faster connections. HTTP/3 reduces latency by establishing connections more quickly. Better security. It encrypts data more efficiently, making your site safer. Resilience to packet loss. QUIC handles packet loss better than previous protocols, leading to a more reliable user experience. Switching to HTTP/3 can provide a significant performance boost, especially for users on slower or unreliable networks. WebAssembly. Last but not least, let's explore WebAssembly or WASM. This binary instruction format allows you to run high-performance applications on the web. Here's why it's a game changer. Speed. WebAssembly code runs at near-native speed, far faster than traditional JavaScript. Efficiency. It's designed to work alongside JavaScript, allowing you to optimize performance-critical parts of your app. Versatility. You can write WebAssembly code in languages like C, C++, and Rust, then compile it for the web. This makes it ideal for applications requiring heavy computation, like games, video editing, or complex data visualizations. And there you have it, advanced techniques to enhance your website performance. By implementing advanced caching strategies, utilizing server-side rendering, adopting modern web technologies like HTTP/3, and leveraging WebAssembly, you can take your website to the next level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow web designers. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. And don't forget to subscribe to learn more about web design. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.